Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook Messenger. The latest Facebook user interface is a welcome change and an easy transition from old versions. Since the dark mode option is a popular choice for apps, it makes sense that Facebook would chime in on the feature. Regardless of compatibility, each application or device has a different process for setting dark mode on Facebook and Messenger. But note, when switching from light mode to dark mode on Facebook or Messenger, the settings changes across the board. Every page, including Messenger, will feature the dark UI automatically. If you are using Facebook Messenger on an Android device, simply follow these steps. Open Facebook Messenger and tap on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then, tap on Settings and tap on Dark Mode. Then, tap the bubble next to On. As of January 2022, dark mode is available on most Facebook platforms. This includes Facebook Lite. If you're a Facebook Lite or Messenger Lite user, it's important to understand that Facebook Messenger Lite doesn't have its own dark mode setting. This means that you will have to enable dark mode on Facebook Lite, and Messenger Lite will also switch to the darker setting. Here's how you can enable dark mode on the Lite version of Facebook and Messenger. On the Facebook app, tap on the three horizontal line menu in the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Then, tap on Dark Mode. Tap the toggle switch to enable dark mode. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.